Hello learners, I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start a new chapter of political science, which is market around us. This is really a beautiful and easy chapter. In this chapter we are going to discuss about type of market we are surrounded with. But before moving ahead, it's really important to understand what do we understand by term market. Market is a place where buyers and sellers gather together to exchange goods or services in place of money. They exchange goods or services for money or any other sort of valuables which are having a values. So let's move ahead with the chapter. The first type of market we are having is weekly market. Weekly markets are those markets which held once a week. You may heard about a Hudka or Ravivarwari market or any such terms from people. They are what? They are weekly markets. They held just once a week. People which are selling their products there, they are not having any sort of permanent establishment. They just lay their mats on ground, arrange all sort of things they are going to sell and just sell those products. Just because of this setup, they are not having any sort of other costs for selling, and that's why the products which they are selling, it's very cheap at cost. For example, if you buy this water bottle from a weekly market, it will cost you 50-60 rupees. The amount may differ, but it is just for understanding. It may cost you 50-60 rupees, and the same water bottle if you buy from a mall, it may cost you hundreds of rupees. So products are that much cheap available over there. The next thing is most of the products are available over there. We'll talk about vegetables, other sort of utensils, or grocery items or cloth items, shoes, all sort of items are available over there. Electronic items and all sort of items. But you have to select a correct item, because there is no sort of offer that you can exchange those things if you don't like them. So you have to be very sure in selecting, because if you buy a wrong product, your money is literally waste. Like I have buy one CD from weekly market. I came home and start that CD, but it doesn't work. I can't go to now that market and find that person who sold me the CD and get my money back. It's not possible. So you have to be very clear. You have to check 100 times that item before buying that product. So that is the one thing about weekly market. Let's move ahead with other market, which is shopping. A shop near us. The shop near us or in our neighbor open daily. It may be possible because of illness, that person which are having the shop may take a rest and close their shop, but otherwise that shops are open on a daily basis. There is no fixed day for those shops. They open daily. Varieties of products are available on a different shops. They are having a different shop for groceries, grocery item, clothing item, dairy products and other sort of utensils. It may be possible that you find all these sort of things at a one place, but that is not a shop, that is a mall. So you have to understand that difference. Because of lack of finance, they can't have all the things with them, and that's why it is known as a shop. And next thing, they are having a permanent establishment as well as they are having temporary establishment. That you may have seen shops which are having a permanent establishment, which are made up of bricks, and you have also seen some people having their rekdi on a fixed place. every day. Yeah, they are also shops. You may see a vanity van. They are selling products at the same place. They are also shops. Yeah, and the best thing about these sort of shops are, if you having a personal touch, you can also get a credit from them. That it may happen many a times that you are not having a sufficient money or enough money to buy a particular thing, and you are really in the need of that thing. Yeah, you want that thing, but you are not having money. What would you do? They may say that you can take this thing and you can pay me later. There are also agreement done, not on contract, written on a contract, but they just give you that much credit. Yeah, there is no sort of written agreement that you are purchasing this thing from me and you will you will return me the money amount of that product on a particular date, otherwise I'll sue you. There is no sort of things over there. They just give us a credit due to a connection that we are having, because we are buying those things on a daily basis from that person or a monthly basis from that person. Yeah, you can get a monthly credit or credit for a shorter duration. Yeah, so the next market we are talking about, or next type of market we are going to talk about, is a mall. Yeah, you may aware of Crystal Mall at Khodial colony. It's an example of shopping complex we are having here. So they are multi-storied building. A whole building is of AC, yeah, air conditioned building. Only branded products are there. Yeah, all the products that you can see. In previous topic we have taken an example of water bottle. If you purchase a water bottle from there, it is definitely going to be a branded bottle and cost you more. Yeah, 500, 600, or as the case may be. Yeah, and because brand has its own value, why they are charging that much amount? Because they are promoting that. They are saying that we are having a quality products, or we are having we are selling you the products which are having a higher quality than other. And this market is particularly for those people who are rich. This is not for middle class. These are for rich people. They can afford those things. Yeah, it's not that we can't afford that, but it will anyhow matter to a budget of a particular person, that how much amount you are ready to spend for a thing. If you can get this keychain at rupees 150, why should there is a need to spend thousands of rupees on a single keychain? Just depend to that. So that's all for today. Before ending this video, let's just revise what we have studied in one go. We have studied what do we mean by market, what are the type of market we are having. We are having a weekly market, we are having shops, we are having malls. We have discussed characters of each market, that these are having this characters, these are having this character. According to a preference of a person, the person can buy products from market according to their budget, according to their convenience, and according to availability of products. There are sort of products which are only available at a weekly market. There are products which are available at shops, and there are only few products which are available at big malls, which are not available at any other places. Yeah, so it depends upon the capacity of person, budget of a person, and convenience of the product, that from where you should buy and what are the sort of markets we are having. So thank you. Let's end this video. Bye bye. See ya in the next video. Goodbye.